Well, I just got off work and my kind father has decided to move the boat and put a lift in here. So as soon as I get this car down on the ground, that lift's gonna go right here and the boat's gonna go back. I'm gonna have this little area to drive up, work on my shit. I think it's gonna be great. Looking forward to that. But for now, today, by the way, welcome to the next video. What up? How you doing? Leave a comment. Tell me how your day's going. But we gotta get that exhaust figured out. Start the time lapse. Alright, had to swap batteries, battery died, but I ended up getting the exhaust welded out. I'm waiting on it to cool off right now so I can test fit it. Yeah, after that it's just boop, boop, and then fill the trans and done. So yeah, I'm definitely pooped. So we're gonna take a little break, wait for it to cool off. Alright, so we got the exhaust all bolted up. I have the tiniest amount of gap right here. I'd like to fix that, but it's not the end of the world. I don't really care about this bumper. It still moves, super easy. It doesn't touch. Let's crank it up, see how she sounds. I haven't heard this exhaust I bought from this dude at all. The clutch is a little yee. Let me bolt on the damn subframe bolts. And I think that's it. Alright, I got everything back on. We're ready to drop the car on the ground. And we're gonna back it up out of here. Wait. I forgot to fill the fucking trans. Fuck. What do y'all say we take this thing for a quick spin-a-rooney, huh? Look at my custom shifter. Got something. Oh yeah. This shifter's fucking funny, yeah. Alright guys, the last part of the video y'all just saw happened about a week ago. I got the shifter in, came in, everything fit well. I've been daily in the car for about a week. Yeah, the fucking shittiest thing happened today. I'm on my lunch break at work trying to turn in my old motorcycle tag to the DMV, waiting in line in my fucking car, and sitting there, AC kicking, on my phone, just chilling. About 45 minutes sitting like that. I look up in my rearview mirror, and there's a big ass fucking roach just walking across the back deck. I'm like, ugh. So I get up, put the top down, fucking, what the fuck? He crawls under my seat, and then he crawls all over in the fucking center console and shifter and e-brake, and then crawls back under my seat while I go inside and handle my business. And I come back out, and I drove home the fastest I fucking could, bro. I was like, you know. So I put it up. I grab my Jeep. I go back to work, and I get off work, take the Miata to Walmart to grab a fucking roach spray and roach little bait and shit. And well, there goes that same roach out from underneath the passenger seat. Goes up in the passenger footwell. I get there, give me some roach spray and some roach paste, that little bait killer shit, and spray the entire fucking bottle all in this fucking thing. There goes that fucking roach, flies out, I back up and I run him over. I'm like, cool, alright, we got it. Didn't think I'd have to use the paste. I get back to my shop, I get up, and turn around, 3 baby roaches coming out of my fucking seat. I'm like, ugh. So, yeah. Seats are getting pulled. Carpet out. I'm going to go with the bare tub. Just metal. Probably paint it like white. Maybe tan. I might paint it tan just to match the interior. And I'm going to get some racing seats in there, and I'm going to put a harness bar. They make a bolt-in harness bar for hard dog roll bars. So that's on the next steps here, but right now the car runs, the car drives. It's just I'm battling a fucking roach problem right now. I just got outer tie rods, and plan on replacing those. I've got a little bit of steering wheel shake. I got to get in alignment, and after that, I mean, I got to install those seats, and I'll probably just race on the 27th with a stripped bare cab with 1 racing seat in it. Try to get the harness in time. That's all I can do. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I like doing this series. It's a pain to edit, but it's also a pain to work on the damn car. So if you could, please just drop a like, subscribe, leave a comment, bro. Tell me if you like this shit. If you like this shit, it makes me want to keep doing it. And look, I can't have cool shit if I don't work on it. Alright?
All these people that are fucking, oh, I pay Alpha Customs to do my fucking truck. Yeah, go do the work yourself, man. It's so much cheaper. You learn so much, and you get to make videos like this and teach people shit. Like how to use a 13mm socket in Miata NB Trans. But, yeah. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Later, y'all.